This segment is sponsored by Willis, Spangler, Starling.
From workers' compensation to personal injury to labor laws, the entire team here at Willis, Spangler, Starling will have you covered with a personal touch. But today we're talking about what could happen if you're looking at Social Security and Social Security benefits. To talk about it is Britton Hicks. How are you doing, Britton?
Hi, good. Thanks. Nice to meet you.
So at what point do people need to be thinking about pulling from their Social Security and really getting a lawyer for that?
Anytime someone's not able to work because of an illness or injury, Social Security disability benefits are something that they should look into. It's not something that everyone is eligible to receive, but it's at least worth a conversation to see if it would fit your situation.
Absolutely. And why get a lawyer and not try to do it on your own?
A lot of times people do try to file on their own, at least at first. I take a lot of cases after someone's already filed and received a denial, but most of the cases that I take from the initial application. And it's just a good idea to have an attorney through this process. I've been at this for almost 10 years.
Wow.
I have a feel for what Social Security is looking for and can help you, if you don't have the right evidence in the beginning, help you develop that evidence to make your case as strong as possible.
Absolutely. So it sounds like you need an attorney, Britton, but how do you know if it's the right one? What should people look for?
If I was looking for a Social Security attorney, I'd want to find one who was experienced and who has practiced in the field for a number of years. It is a very different type of law than a lot of other practice areas, so it's not something that an attorney should dabble in. I would look for someone. There are a lot of national law firms out there that people see commercials for all day long. You contact one of those attorneys, you might never see your attorney until you walk in for the hearing.
That's unreal.
So what I will do is, I walk people, like I said, I take it from the initial application, going through all the steps with them. We're here to answer the phones anytime you have any questions. If I'm not available, we have assistants who can help you. Just the personal touch, I always want to have a pre-hearing review with all my clients before they have a hearing, just to make them a little more at ease, that they understand what the process is about and what Social Security is looking for.
That's great. And another way you put people at ease is when you answer the question, a common theme here is, what if people can't afford it and they think, you know what, I don't have the money to get a lawyer.
And just as in other areas of law, Social Security is a contingent-based field, so we take a percentage of what you receive. So we don't get anything if you don't get anything.
Wow, I love it. So right off the bat, you're not going to be asking for money. It's after everything is settled.
That's correct.
And speaking of settling, what are some of the outcomes people can expect to see in this field with Social Security?
Well, basically the outcome is you want to be approved for benefits. That's mostly what people are concerned about because they are unable to work for whatever reason, or they've had to drastically reduce their work. So they are looking for some income to supplement their income that they can't receive anymore through working. The other thing that people are often looking for is some kind of health insurance, either through Medicaid or Medicare. And through this process, if they are ultimately approved for benefits, they'll be eligible for one of those programs.
Britton, what happens if someone's claim is denied?
In Social Security, often claims are denied the first time. It's not surprising at all for them to be denied off the bat. What's important to remember is to appeal that denial rather than start over. That's a trap that many people fall into, especially those who don't have attorneys, is they think they need to apply again. And instead of applying again, you need to appeal. And ultimately, you keep appealing and you'll get to present your claim to a Social Security judge.
Well, I know you want to help as many people as you can, and you're doing that by offering a free consultation. How can people apply and get in contact with that?
We are happy, as I said, to take claims from the initial application. All you need to do is give us a call. Our number is 614-586-7900. Just give us a call and we'll get you an appointment on the calendar as soon as possible.
Perfect. So, Britton, I just love that you know about everything and you're taking care of people one case at a time.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
For more information, if you're looking towards Social Security and want to make sure you're traveling that road with complete safety, visit their website, willisattorneys.com.